Hey guys, what is today? Today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. I thought it was Wednesday. We have nice sunny skies out today and mild temperatures, high 60s. And we got some rain, light rain coming on Thursday morning, which I'm hoping for because my rain reservoirs are dangerously low. And I've had to top off one tank with water, which is now dechlorinated. Let me show you that real quick before we get to the unboxing. You can see the little tube here. Instead of running a pump over there, I just ran a tube from the current pump. Just kind of threw it out here. And what I did is I shut off the valve here for this tank so it's separated from those two. I went ahead and filled it up with water from the hose. And then I just put a piece of shade cloth over the top so it would keep bugs and mosquitoes out. And there we go. I got a stone in there, aerating it. I'll probably do it for another day. It's been going for like 2 days so far. I might try to wait till Thursday and get some rainwater as well, but my reservoir level with these two tanks here is down below my window. This is I painted up to this mark here. It's down below that. So I only have it's a 25 gallon mark. So I probably only have about 50 gallons in here right now. And probably go through at least 5 to 10 gallons a day. Right now with the tomatoes where they're at, you know, tomatoes are doing real well and they're sucking up lots of water. You know, evaporation. I don't really have any leaks anywhere. Might be a drop or two here, but I think that's all been stopped. So with the evaporation and the plant usage, yeah, I'm going through a bit a day. So what I'll probably do is tomorrow I'll open up that valve. Let's go back here. I'll open up that valve and it will balance out between the three tanks. And what I'll probably do is shut this off again and top it off more to the top again. And do that a couple times every few days to raise the water level up as high as I can. We'll see what we get Thursday, but I'm not expecting really anything. It's probably just going to be trace amounts, nothing collectible. And and I don't see any other rain in the forecast for a while, so lizard. So there's that. Well, what we're here for today, say hi, Koi. They're little scary cats. Is I started ordering my food. People always ask me, what do I feed these guys? Well, I've been doing, it's in there, basically pond fish food for the koi and some smaller bits for these guys over here. These are bluegill, and I got some tilapia today, so there's some tilapia in there as well. But I know a lot of people like to eat organic, so I got organic fish food from Aquaponics Source. And I'll put their link in the down in the description below. And they have two types of fish food, and they even give you charts on what they're best for. You know, they have the normal type of fish food that does have GMO products and does have other stuff that people frown about. And then they have this stuff which is all organic, no GMOs, no pesticides, no Monsanto or whatever. And so when I sell off the fish for food later this year, people know that they've been on this organic diet the whole time. And I might feed them some duckweed now and then, little treats. But so this is how it came. I ordered a 5-pound bag, or 5 pounds of their organic food, and this came in this box. Just came today, FedEx. I don't like FedEx delivery because they seem to be allergic to my porch and just kind of toss it up instead of coming and put it in front of the door. But we're going to unbox it. Got a lot of tape on it, not so much on the bottom. Let's see if I can do this one hand without cutting myself. And we'll see what it looks like. I did weigh the box because, you know, I have a scale because I do shipping as well. And it came in at almost 6 pounds. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. I might bring the bag back in by itself. But I didn't want to film the video inside. It's a nice day outside. And we'll see how much the bag weighs. But no packing material, but I guess you don't need packing material for fish food. Cover up my address here. So Aquatic Organic, 5 pounds. Thanking me for shopping, blah 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 blah, all form letter. But this is kind of a little bit larger pellet. This is than I've been feeding them, but it's supposed to be very like the pond fish food I get. You can't crush that up. It's pretty hard. This is supposed to be a little bit more soluble. So you can break it up into smaller pellets if you need to do. Let's just try a crush test. Oh, I can't get two together. Crush. It's not that bad. It crushed pretty good. So if I need to get it for the smaller fish, I can crush it up a little bit. And that should probably last me about, I hope, at least a month. And does it put on here what I paid? No, I don't remember what I paid. I'll have to look it up. But I want to say it was around $30-something for the food. And it was probably about $15 to ship. Because they're 5 pounds plus a box. You know, it's kind of big, but I don't know. It's not feeding time yet, so these guys over here will probably come up quicker. Ooh, head rush. No, they're not interested right now. All the new people in there. They'll come up later. So, not an exciting video, but there you have it. Organic fish food for your fish if you want to keep them healthy. And plus it's made for aquaponics because of the ratios of protein, fats, and everything else. They list that on their site, everything they need. So it's a good source, good food for your fishies. So I'm not going to throw my wholeheartedly recommendation behind them yet until I see how the fish do and everything on it. But so far, you know, time frame wise on shipping, I ordered this early last week. It took about a week to get here. I ordered it early last week and it took about a week to get here. So keep that in mind. It's not going to be here overnight. I'm sure you can. Oh, head rush. I don't like that, getting up and down. Anyway, I'm sure they have a, I have to look because I didn't notice if they have a fast, you know, priority shipping option. You're going to pay for it, but if you need it faster, just when you start running out, be sure you order ahead of time and figure about a week, depending where you're out. They are located in Utah, I believe. Nope, Boulder, Colorado. So if you're closer to Colorado, you'll probably get sooner. They're right in the center of the country. I'm in San Diego, so it took me a week to get here, so figure that out. Yeah, the bluegill usually are jumping for food, but again, it's not their feeding time right now. Probably about 3 or 4 hours away from feeding time, and they usually pop up. But they got some new people in there, and they're checking them out. Alright, I'm going to ramble on. Everything else is going just ducky out here. And I'll catch you another update in a few days or so as I do some more things. I started cutting pipe for the next row of beds. So that will probably be coming online soon. Anyway, stay happy, guys. Enjoy your week. And if you're gardening, have fun in the garden. I like just roaming out here sometimes and looking at everything. Gives you a little peaceful feeling. I'm going to turn the air back on for these guys and head back inside. So talk to you guys later. See ya. Hey, ran in the house. I wanted to... Here, kind of messed up. I want to do a quick correction. to not sound like they're too expensive, but I checked real quick when I got in the house, and 5 pounds of the Aqua Organic is only $21.95, not the 30 something I mentioned a couple seconds ago. And it was $16.53 to ship to me from Colorado to San Diego. Your mileage may vary. So, and now that I'm here, I'm just going to go to the product and see, let you know. I mean, you can go to the website. I'll have the link below. But no GMOs, certified organic. It also contains special ingredients formulated to nourish your aquaponic fish and your plants. Your plants, not your planets. So it is certified organic. 34% crude protein, 3% crude fat, 10% crude fiber, 1.7% something I can't pronounce, lysine or something like that, 1.3% calcium minimum and 1.8% calcium maximum, and 0.8% phosphorus minimum. Has a bunch of stuff in here about organic rice bran, organic canola meal, organic whole corn. It's a long list of organics. I'm not going to read it. You can read it for yourself. I'll have the link directly to the product down below. And they have another one called Aqua Nourish for your omnivorous fishery that has the non-organic stuff and the GMO. So if you don't care about that stuff, great. So, and I did just weigh the bag only without the box. A little disappointed. Let's see if I can bring this over here so you can see it without unplugging it. Oh, there it is. See it there? Basically 4 pounds, 13 ounces. I lost 2 ounces. And I don't think the 2 ounces was in the 3 pieces I fed the fish. So, but I'm not going to hold them. I'm not going to blame them for it. And I'll probably make it up on the next one I get when I get more than 5 pounds. I'll put that back up on the wall later. Anyway, that's it for the fish food. I know, exciting video for you guys, especially if you guys are not aquaponics people. I don't care about fish food. But my hands smell like fish food now. I have to go wash my hands. So, and they sell, I guess I'll add, they sell, the smallest is a 2-pound bag. They sell up to 30 pounds. 30 pounds is basically $100. And that should last you almost a year. I don't want to buy that much because I don't want it sitting around. You know, more chance of bugs getting in there and going stale, or I don't know if the stuff can go stale. But I think 5 pounds should last me at least a month, and I can buy it once a month. I'm happy. So, anyway, that's it. A little corrections there, a little more information. Enough of my ugly mug. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya!